Come on along. Well, here we are. Hey, you might say to yourself, what's Mike been up to? Well, let me tell you. Let me explain. The one welder I got in the other shop there, not my original, but the other one. These are the heads for it. And they're only like $300 a piece. And the last people who was in it, let me explain. I don't know what the hell they did or how they broke them, but they had these bolts broke off. For the valve covers. And also they had this one here, when they drilled and tapped it, they drilled right into, there's an oil galley that goes from there. It's not really a galley, it's just an oil drain. The valves are here, springs, the oil's up in here, and then it just drains back into the crank through here. And I think they had them all siliconed up. Anyways, long story short, I fixed that. And then I decided, hey, well, I got 1, 2, 3 broken bolts where the shielding goes, or the guarding, to get the air to go circulate around the engine, the heads. But I just got done welding and reforming these because there was broke off pieces. 2 in this one, 1, 2, 3 in that one. And these are the valve cover bolts. So I just rebuilt them with weld. I ground them right off. Ground them right. There was steel in them. There was tap in them. There was drill bits in them. I don't know. But I wasn't going to pay the $300 a piece for these. If I can try it myself. And guess what? I'm going to win. Because that's what I do here. So, whoops, we got to put that around there. I put the bolts in, transfer punched the holes, as you can see. So now I got to go drill and tap. I think I'm going to put I don't know why they got a counter bore in there. Much to my chagrin, I don't really think I need it. Maybe I do. But, yeah, just got done. Obviously, it just didn't get done welding them, otherwise wouldn't be touching them. But I got new head gaskets for them, new valve cover gaskets, new intake, new exhaust gaskets. Everything was pretty cheap that way. Just I didn't want to spend the $600 on 2 new heads. And they got good and hot. There's steel seats in there for the valves. The valve guides are steel, nothing moved. And so that's what I've been up to, so I can restore that other welder and it won't leak oil all over, if you catch my drift. That welder now lists, I think, at about $20,000. And I just figured I'd fix it. So that's what I'm doing. I'm fixing it here in my little barn. So that's what Mike's been up to. I don't know. Wrong way, Feldman.